Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Kaushik Chakraborty. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about how to take care of poinsettia in summer. Have you seen my previous video on poinsettia? If not, the link is given in the description. Poinsettia shreds all leaves after winter, and new leaves are coming out during the summer. This beautiful red foliage will fall very soon. The adjacent plant has already shredded the red foliage, and new green leaves are coming out. During this period, you need to give water regularly and give fertilizer if required, and keep the plant under shade. After a few days, you can see the difference. More red leaves has fallen. And the green leaves are coming out. You can see the new leaves are coming out, and you can see the difference. It has changed and grown up during this period. We need to give water regularly. After a week, you can see the difference. All red leaves has fallen and green leaves has come out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get updated videos regularly.